video. In today's video, we are doing a little drill to try to make sure the bike goes where we want it to go. So me as a beginner rider, only riding for a few months, I find it very difficult to make my bike go exactly where I want it to go. I might be looking at a specific spot in the dirt or in a turn that I want to make sure I hit. And sometimes it doesn't always go that way. Sometimes it goes a little left, goes a little right. So I'm really going to work on this drill to make sure I can try to use my balance, clutch control, throttle control, all that stuff to help me with my line choice, especially, if I'm going to start to get better, if I ever do want to race, or honestly just to be more safe. Without the fear of falling off one of these little hills even. I want to make sure I know and I'm confident and I can put my tires where I want them to go every single time. So hopefully we're going to work on that today, and by the end, hopefully I feel more comfortable. So we just got done with the first, little round of this. I thought it was pretty easy. Again, I wasn't going very fast. It was just kind of more getting used to going over these bumps, feeling more comfortable with it, which I do. So yeah, I think we're going to change up this little mini track real quick and see if I can do something a little bit more difficult. Gio did a great job. My dad was jumping it. That was really good. Alright guys, so that wraps up our video for today. Trying to get that mind and bike connection. Trying to make sure the bike wheels go where I want it to go. Worked on those cone drills. I think I did pretty okay. I wasn't going too fast or anything. Just trying to make sure precision-wise everything is going in the right direction. Like I said, I feel like I progressed, which is what I'm aiming for. Gio did a really good job. He went for sure a little bit faster than me. Just trying to work my way back. I did have that not crazy crash, but I did fall over, dislocate my elbow a couple months ago. So still, I feel 100% better pretty much from that, but now it's trying to get my confidence back to that level where I was before. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any tips on what else I can do to kind of get better with that mind-bike connection, all that stuff, make sure you drop that in the comments below. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of new content coming out, and hopefully at the end of this month we're actually going to be going to a track up in North Texas and hopefully getting some of that professional training in on a real track. So we want to be documenting that experience because we've never gotten professional training at all. So we want to make sure we're safe on our bikes and of course having fun. So thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned.